Hello fams. Welcome to Fab FM Nation Tech. These are some of my handmade projects which I built with aluminium zinc. Here I have my Tesla Cybertruck, Dodge Challenger SRT, Bugatti Chiron, Lamborghini Aventador, Lexus LFA and a super sport bike. They are all built with scraps materials and I can show you how it is made. Follow and subscribe as a family. You are unique. You have different talents and abilities. You don't have to always follow in the footsteps of others. And most important, you should always remind yourself that you don't have to do what everyone else is doing and have a responsibility to develop the talents you have been given. Don't forget you can support this page by following and subscribing. Thank you.